Guys, this might be a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity. That airplane is a Boeing 747. Oh my God. That is crazy. I've never seen an A380 before. No, I'm at a 747. That's crazy. Bye. That is crazy. That might look just like a line. It's the 747s, like something. I don't know what it is, but it's a 747. I'm so excited because I've never seen a 747 before. That's crazy. I thought it was an A380. And then I think we have a Virgin Atlantic or something like that. And yeah, so that's the 747 and that's Virgin Atlantic. See you guys.